Segovia, a train and a bus later, and you can see the first thing you see when you enter is the aqueduct. Right, so I'm at the aqueduct now. I came up the stairs to see the full length of it, which you can see behind me. This was built in the 2nd century AD. It was built by Romans. And the most impressive thing is it's one very tiny part of a 16-kilometer long aqueduct. And the Romans were really amazing engineers, so part of it is still standing. Most of it, because of renovations, is not considered historical anymore, and it's not really used for water anymore. But as soon as you enter Segovia, you get to see this beauty. I'm standing at Mirador Canalejo, which is a beautiful viewpoint of the entire, not entire, but a big part of Segovia. And you can see really good views from up here. It's also quite famous for the House of Peaks, which belonged to an old family, Sickle family, I believe. And it's constructed in the shape of a diamond, and both for decorative and defensive purposes. It's quite beautiful. And you can also see the House of Peaks, as well as this very beautiful house with balconies. The next stop after this will be Plaza de los Campos, which has another beautiful square. So I'm in Plaza Mayor, which is the central square of Segovia. It's not as glamorous as the rest of the Plaza Mayors around like Salamanca or Madrid. The main presence here is of the cathedral of the city, which is really beautiful. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you the view. And then we get to the cathedral and I'll show you the view from the top of the bell tower as well. Plaza de la Merced, which I think is the most beautiful plaza in the whole of Segovia, because here you can see the view of the cathedral. You can see another beautiful church on that side. After you've done those 190 steps up to the bell tower, you will need a bit of rest here, which I just had with some tea. So this is the bell tower, which I just covered. My legs are still shaking a little bit. And this is the beautiful Plaza de la Merced. What I really like about this plaza is how cute and small it is, and how devoid of people it is, which there are many in the Plaza Mayor. And there's another really beautiful little church in the corner. You will see in a minute when the trees on the side. It has a really beautiful tower. Spring is here and you can see all the beautiful blossoms. I took a little walk from Plaza de la Merced. Now I am right next to the Alcazar, or the castle of Segovia, and just even around the castle the views are absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna show you around. Quite high on a hilltop. There's a beautiful route if you want to go down from here. Yes, so I'm gonna show you all of that, and then we get inside the beautiful Alcazar. That's the way to the Alcazar now. Tower of San Esteban. It's one of the 20 Romanesque churches Segovia has. I mean, considering it's quite a small city, but they still have quite a huge number because it used to be a really important center for textile manufacturing, sort of like the Manchester of England. So, this is going to be the last stop for this tour. I hope you liked Segovia. It's a really beautiful city. Definitely, it's like the perfect one-day trip from Madrid. And there's quite a lot to do and see here. It's a very charming town. Follow me on Instagram. It's Brown Boy Travels there, on YouTube. And also check out my blog on brownboytravels.blog, where you will find more details on how to get things, the prices, the tickets, all the links that you need. So a lot more detail will be there. So let me know what you guys think. I'll see you in the next video.